Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Abdul Hakim bin Arsik. Now I will do a demonstration about how to measure the current by using a multimeter. This is the circuit example with a DC supply that I choose. Firstly, to measure the current, we need to change the range in the multimeter to the current range. For this measure, I will change to this position. And then we need to open the circuit that we need to measure with the multimeter. For this, I will open the circuit from the supply to measure the current. And then we need to put the probe for multimeter in series with the circuit like this, and here we can see the value of current, the value for the current in the circuit. This is the demonstration for how to measure the current from the DC supply. And to measure the current from the AC supply with the multimeter, first we need to change this probe to this position for ADC like this, and then we need to change the range from this to this, because with current they need to bigger range. Okay. And then we can repeat the same step like we measure for the DC supply. First we need to open the circuit and connect the probe into series connections with the circuit, like we did with the DC supply.
Okay, next is I will measure the DC voltage. For DC voltage is using a TV remote control, which is TV remote control is using a DC circuit. We use a battery at the back and power up the remote. So I will start to measure it. Okay. I get for voltage for DC voltage is 1.61, which is 1.61 volt, which is quite low for this remote. So that's it. Thank you. I will do measure the AC circuit. Of measure circuit. I will use the extension to measure the AC circuit, AC voltage, because this extension is connect with power box, which is power box is use AC circuit. So let I turn on this extension and I will measure this. So hard to enter. Okay, the voltage I get in this extension I get from this AC circuit is 24. Wait, the measure is gone. Okay, wait. Okay, I get 2442 volt, which is very high from the standard home, which is used 240 volt. This is AC circuit, AC current AC voltage circuit to this extension. Okay.
This is how to measure resistance with multimeter. Firstly, I will check if the multimeter is working by checking the continuity. So I will cross the positive and negative terminal. If it makes the beep sound, meaning it is working. And then put the multimeter in ohm scale so that I can measure the resistance within this solenoid inside the valve. So I will put negative terminal with negative terminal and positive terminal with positive terminal. That's how you measure resistance.